This simple smart money concept trading strategy can actually put you on a good winning streak, and you can avoid so much losses using this simple top-down analysis. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do simple top-down analysis using the smart money concept strategy and also using your liquidity. So without wasting much of your time, make sure you watch this video from the beginning part to the end part, because every of this video is very important for you to understand this strategy. So first off, I start from the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I look at structures first. I want to read what price is doing on the weekly time frame. Okay, I want to know that if price is bullish or bearish. If it is bullish, we're looking to take more of buys than sells. Okay, so right here, let's start from here. Price swept these lows to the downside. It broke this low to the downside, enticing a lot of sellers to start selling this market, and a lot of smart money concept traders are around here selling with their supply area, but that supply area actually failed and price pulled back into it, tapped into it, and caused what? Another major change of character again, right? So after this break of structure, price traded above, reacted off, and dropped all the way to the downside and failed to break this low, right? So it failed to break this low. What does that mean to us? Price has started forming. This is a higher low. I've taught you guys that when a lower low is broken, just like this, price was forming lower low, lower high, lower low. Then instead of it to form a lower high, price even push further and form a higher high. Then if price breaks a lower high, what do we expect? We expect a change of character. So price came to form a higher low. Then we expected price to form a higher high, but price did not. So price just ranged around, and now it has broken structure and give us the higher high. So this is our higher low. So this is our higher high. So what are we expecting price to do? We're expecting price now to form a higher low to form a higher high. Just like that. It's very simple. So we are very bullish on the DXY. Just that we are having a little retracement to form the higher low, then a higher high. So we are going to look to catch that higher high. That is our major target here, to catch the higher high, that expansion to the upside. That's what we want to catch. And if you look here on the DXY, there is actually a supply area which price has not tapped into. So this supply area now, price is yet to tap into it, and this high which you can see that was formed before that area, we act as what? As our inducement or liquidity to that area. So it's making it a high probability area to actually, once price push into it, change character, then we start looking to sell to the downside to take some external for some internal liquidity here before taking out the zone. So it's just very simple. So we are bullish on the DXY, but for the meantime we are bearish just to form that higher low, right? So let's identify the structures. Okay, let's just mark it out. So right here we have this higher high, which structure broke here. Sorry, let me make this clear. So break of structure, then where is the higher low? This is the higher low. So let's use this line to indicate that. And this higher high, so it's just very simple. So where is our trading range? This is from this low to this high is our trading range. So from the 50% of this, from this low to this high, we want to be looking for buys. So it's time that we're looking, it's high time we start looking for buys on the DXY. Just below this 50% discount price level, we want to be looking for buys into the premium. So let's go to the daily time frame to see if we can actually get any zone residing under this 50%. Around here on the weekly time frame, there's actually another block around here. There's another block And if you go to the daily time frame, we are going to be looking for zones inside that weekly order block to see where price can actually fly away from. Okay, so on the daily time frame now, we had this zone before. We had this area of interest for price to use it to break structure to the upside, but price failed to. After price tapped into it just like this, price failed to break this high. So for it to fail to break this high, we should be expecting price to take out that zone and tap into a better zone, then push all the way to the upside or either break lower. It's just very simple like that. So right here on this zone, price has failed it. If we can actually get a change of character here on the 4 hour, because this is more like a take of liquidity, right? When price fails a zone, take out the lows inside it, and due to my backtesting data, once price fails a zone, break below it, change character, is a good buy area for us to take price to the upside, just like that. It's very, very simple. So since price has failed this demand, I want to see price on the 4 hour maybe change character to the upside, then come tap, then I will look to take out this high. It's just very simple, guys. So right here now, you guys know what I'm looking at on the DXY. So let's quickly mark out our structures on the DXY. This is a break of structure on the DXY, a BOS, and quickly arrange the DXY break of structure as well. So this is the DXY break of structure on the weekly time frame. So these small ones you are seeing here is just very simple. Just make your chart look clean. It doesn't have to look messy, because if it looks messy it will confuse you a lot. So price has taken out this low. If I see a change of character here, let's go to maybe 1 hour. Let's see what the XY is doing. The XY is actually changing character here, not yet, but let's watch what price does from here. If the XY can actually break this high, if it can break this high, which you are seeing here, then gives us the pullback, then I might look to buy into this area. Okay, and if you are going to look to buy into this these highs, which stored a lot of liquidity here, that means we are going to be looking to sell what? The Euro USD and the GBP USD. It's just very simple. So let's watch for this week. Let's see what price can actually do. So let's see. Let's go to the Euro USD and see what we have there. So on the Euro USD, price is actually switching structure at this point. There is actually a buy I wanted to take this morning, but based on what the XY is telling me, I'm going to be looking for sells at this point. Okay, I'm going to be looking for more of sells. Once price changes character, just like the way I told you on the DXY, I will be looking for area to sell to the downside, because a lot of liquidity is already resting here. If you look from here to this, from this area, it's just forming this more like a trend line liquidity here around this region, and price would want to come and take it out. And if you also look here as well, the same thing all over and all over again. So guys, this is the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also share this video. In this video I'll be posting more updates like this on how to analyze the smart money concept just for free. See you guys on the next one.